gonna drop.
Got it. Leaves are huge. Come on.
So there's 3. And then there's this green ash over here. So this is green ash.
Don't grab the poo-poo. Grab right here.
There we go. So there's, thank you, Leona. There's 6 and we need 1 more.
Right here.
Let's do 1 more of this pumpkin ash. It's so pretty.
Where is it?
Thank you, Leona. You ready, Roman?
Yep.
Oh!
I'm landing on my head.
Need a stick.
Grab right there.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you need a straight one?
No. As long as it's a stick. This is kind of a branch, so let's see if I can. There we go. Can you grab it, Roman?
Hold this.
Can't. My hands are full. I don't need all that on the end, though.
Cut it.
Can't see, Leona. Can you be my light, baby?
Yes, so.
Thank you. All right, and then we need to get several stones.
Okay, where's the several stones?
Now to hunt for several stones. Yeah.
Where is that?
We're working on a tranquility incantation.
Are those stones?
Yeah. Can you grab? They say several, so 7 would be a good amount. Bring the bowl. Want me to grab them?
I can grab it.
1,
2.
2.
I got the stone. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. So it says, for inner peace, take a walk in the woods and bring a stick, 7 leaves from an ash or oak tree, several stones, and matches. With the stick, draw a circle on the ground and mark 4 directions, north, east, south, and west. Arrange the stones and leaves at the center of the circle. And then we're going to repeat after Mommy. So, we have our
Rocks.
rocks. Do you want to take out the leaves and put them right here?
Here's your other pebble.
I don't have match. So we're gonna use.
A lighter? Put it on.
So we have our stick, right? So when we do spell work, since we know that this is going to be about peace and quiet and calming energy, tranquility, then we're going to think of things that make us calm. Like, you hear the crickets? It's kind of calming, right?
Unless they're super loud and going quickly.
So we're going to draw a circle. Here's a circle.
I think you gotta do it with the chalk.
We can do it with the chalk too. We don't have to follow this. So we'll draw a circle.
Can I put the northeast, southwest? I need to learn it.
Mommy's gonna do it this time, okay?
Okay.
So we got north, east, south, and west.
I think you gotta redo that one. That's a 5. Woman,
It's fine.
peace and quiet.
Oops. It's okay. Right? And then we're going to arrange the stones. So this is where I need your guys' help. Okay? So you're going to just put the stones and the leaves where you would like it to make it nice. So, yeah, you can even take the leaves.
Hey, I
You want to put some stones in there?
Yeah. I got an idea. I want it like a little silly face.
That looks like a heart.
Can I have another stone?
Yeah.
Hey, you're moving my stuff, woman.
And since we don't have a match, we're going to use this wick. So that's the fun thing about magic is that as long as you have good intentions behind it, you don't have to have the exact same thing in some cases.
Are we gonna put this on fire?
Oh, no.
Okay.
So we arrange the stones. You like how the leaves and the stones are? So now we're gonna take a moment, and what Mommy likes to do is I like to feel the energy flow throughout my body and out of my palms. And I like to breathe and think about the intention behind my spell, which is calming and love and tranquility, right? So now you're gonna repeat after me. Good luck rises.
Good luck rises
For me in the east.
for me in the east.
My music rises in the south. My wishes rise in the west.
My wishes rise
in the west.
From the north,
From the north,
peace and calm will come to me.
will come to me.
My dreams will come true.
My dreams will come true.
And so
And so
it is.
it is.
And Mommy can feel some of that energy flowing a lot more in my hands. And what I do is I do this.
I just felt the energy.
Yeah, you feel it?
I just felt it just go.